Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. This is an journal I made using the most gorgeous Janeyb papers, Janeybjournals. She really does make the most beautiful kits. Here's the spine, this is the back. Most of my journals will have my little ladybug on here. I just haven't done that yet. And that is the side. And these are like autumn colors. Lots and lots of lace. It's just dripping with the stuff. And just look at this. Isn't she gorgeous? So you can see there's lots going on here with fussy cut flowers and butterflies, lots of lace, lots of layers, and here pumpkins, and yeah. And then let's go. So here, beautiful lace. This is also vintage, this crocheted lace. And I've used a lot of stickers as well in this journal. So this is just a journal card. A bit of a 3D. Can you see the squirrel down there? Thought it was quite cute. Some more stunning graphics. And lots of ruffles, shabby chic style. So yeah, so this opens and we have little journal cards again, all from this kit. It's just like I say, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I've got to have it. So in fact, we did this journal on my private Ladybug page. I did it with the ladies there. And there's just some flowers which I've used distress inks on. Here, is this with the kit? Can't remember now. Oh, my memory is so bad. Anyway, we have that. More journal cards. And like I said, paper is great. Look, 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 look. And you can still write on there. So this opens like so with a bit of lace. And here's this little girl. Isn't she just too beautiful? So it's like autumn colors. And that opens there. So picture or writing can go here. There's plenty of room as well to put stuff in here. See the graphics there. This is a tiny little envelope. It's an open one, so you can write inside. And just collaging there. Oh, wrong way. So that goes like so. This opens up and we have a side pocket here. This is also another envelope, part of the kit. All part of, look at that, look at that. All part of the kit. And then we have here, that opens and we just have a little window there. So yeah, so that goes there. You only need to cross this once. I can't be bothered crossing it too many times. You know, windy, windy, windy. So then we have pocket there. Ephemera. This is vintage paper from the 1940s, 1938 to the 1940s. And that goes there. More washi tape, alcohol washi tape, pages, pages. This is also vintage, actually from Portugal. Is that the proper vintage one? No, I don't think so. This is a print of it. This is vintage. Lovely paper. Some more. This is from another kit. I don't think it's from this one, or maybe it is. Yeah. Again, it's been a couple of months since I made this. And we've got gorgeous layers of lace there. So this opens up. We have a pocket in here. This is embossed and distressed. We have an Edith Holden page. This is actually from Nazi. It goes there. Open, so we have these are pockets as well, so pictures, whatever can be put in there. Lots of writing space. This paper here is from the 1960s. Tape, lots of ruffles, as I said. Let's pull it up a little bit. And this is a great big pocket, so we have that. And lots of flowers and collaging there. And a bit of wax seal here to write on. And this is all just, so there's a big pocket here as well. All collage, lots of work. And look at this, too beautiful. We have that there. We have, let me show you these beads. This is really nice. Just, you know, in my stash that I've had for a long time. I thought these beads went well with it. And we have this corset type ephemera. There is a pocket here. And that goes in there. Lots and lots of paper. Writing space to play with. This is a pocket here, and this is also a pocket. Okay, so you got two pockets here. Then we have on this side a pocket on this side. Also from a vintage book, that paper. We have this and that with this pocket here and a bit of acetate with the molding paste on there. I really like the way that came out. I'm going to do some more. We have, okay, so on here, yeah, we have another card with stickers on it and lace. So writing can be done on the back. Here we go. Is that a, no. Then we have, oh yes, this lovely envelope made using doilies and lace. Big flower here. And it's an envelope from the kit. And it's got one of those tiny little ones that come out, part of the kit. Look at this little lamb. So that goes in there. And this is the back. This is from one of those small doilies. And there is a pocket here. And this is a fabric pocket, a fabric page, let's say. Here we go. Lots of paper, vintage. Just some, this can be made into a pocket on one of the pages. Some ephemera. Then we have this guy here. Isn't this gorgeous? All part of the kit. And there we go. So that goes there. We have some beads here. And yeah, just bits and pieces. This is from my stash and this is from the kit. Washi tape there. So we open. Another fabric pocket with the cut up doily as a pocket there too. Envelope and more ephemera. And this, I do love this page, the greens in this. So of course I put the green ruffle. Some gorgeous lace from Portugal. Again, you know, part of the kit. And it's just got a, oh, why are you stuck? Oh my goodness, you are so stuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that goes in there. And there and there. I hope I didn't go too quickly. But you know, I don't want to bore you either with every little thing. Or explaining every little thing. This is a pocket. I should do something on that. I think I will. Before I sell this. There we go. Pages, pages, pages. Tuck spot. The back. The last page. Lots again. You know, lots of lace. And this is a pocket. That again is part of the kit. You know, I just cut it out. Okay, there's a tag in there. Just cut it out. And there is a big... oh, that's no good. Look at that. It's stuck. There we go. So there is, so this is like an upside down pocket. I still have to put, just notice that now, a bead there or a something. So that is my gorgeous journal made with Janeyb's papers, and the papers are just, like I said, I think they're amazing. They're really, really beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you like the journal. Do give me a like and a thumbs up and a subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again very soon. Ciao now. Bye bye.